What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So, lately I have been receiving a lot of messages coming from two types of people. Okay? Yung una sinasabi is, Sir, beginner lang po ako, how do I start? Okay? The other one is, Sir, I've been trading for quite some time. Umabot din ako ng like 1 to 2 years. But, it's like on and off. Patigil-tigil ako. So, how do I start again from scratch? Okay? So, for today's video, i-address natin yan. And if I were to start again from scratch, ito yung mga gagawin kong bagay. So, stay tuned and please watch the rest of the video. So, nga pala, before that, if you want to be part of our growing TFP VIP Champions community, you may want to check our 90-day one-on-one mentorship program. So, again, salamat po sa aking mga subscribers, followers, and all of my TFP VIP Champions students all over the globe. So, without further ado, let's get straight to our lesson. Alright, so if I were to start again from scratch, as in zero knowledge when it comes to Forex trading, the first thing that I would do is I will not join right away itong mga Forex community or Forex groups. Bakit? Because based from my students' experience firsthand before they enroll to me, okay, majority of them na in-interview ko is not only you're gonna waste time, is you'll also be wasting a lot of money. So, tandaan nyo guys, itong mga beginners or mga zero knowledge individuals na nagda-dive into Forex trading is most of them out of curiosity. Okay? So, they will join right away itong mga Forex community or groups. So, ang tendency niyan, if magjo-join kayo agad without prior knowledge or wala man lang kayong basic knowledge when it comes to Forex trading is, so these groups or this committee might possibly mislead you, thinking that trading is all about investing money to someone and thinking that trading is just easy money. So, ano pa yung mga rason? So, sometimes these Forex communities or groups may mislead you with thinking na ang Forex trading is just investing, again, onto something like a robot, okay? Expert advisors or what we call as EAs. And ano pa, kokopyahin mo lang yung kanilang mga Forex entries like signals. Ano pa, kokopyahin mo lang yung kanilang mga trading. Okay? Again, I'm not saying that that's not possible, but as a beginner, okay, you don't have any control from all of that. Okay? Tandaan nyo guys, when you don't have control, you don't have control not only with the information, but also to your money. So, marami na akong na-encounter na nag-enroll sa akin galing sa mga groups na yon, okay? Because they don't have knowledge. They thought that that is all about trading. Magbigay ka lang ng pera sa iba, bumili ka ng produkto nila like EAs, copy trading, or signal providers. So, nangyari is, they don't have control, nasunog yung pera nila, and they cannot do anything about it. Kasi bakit? These people or community will just say, trade at your own risk. Diba? Which is true. So, that is why, as a zero knowledge beginner or individual na maging aspiring trader, don't dive into agad dito sa mga Forex communities or groups, okay, without prior knowledge what trading is all about. Alright? So, control is of the essence pagdating sa Forex trading. Control of knowledge, of course, you will have control over your money. So, as an advice to all of you guys, you have to understand that trading is executed manually, backed up with technical and fundamental knowledge. Okay? So, the next thing that I will learn is simply Forex market fundamentals. So, syempre, kailangan ko malaman ano nga ba talaga ang Forex trading or what is foreign exchange or Forex in general. So, next, so syempre, since we're dealing with foreign exchange, you have to understand ano nga ba yung mga currency pairs na tinatawag. And there are 3 different categories pagdating sa currency pairs. So, nandyan yung ating major pairs, minor pairs, or yung very uncommon yung ating mga exotic pairs. Aside from that, you have to understand ano nga ba yung mga high volatile currency pairs and what trading session is all about and how it affects yung inyong trading setups. And lastly, under Forex market fundamentals, kailangan malaman how do I make money sa Forex trading. Meron tayong traditional setup at yung ating short selling setup. So, the next thing you should learn is you have to ask yourself, paano ko nga ba ma-access yung Forex market? So, dyan na papasok yung ating mga trading tools and platforms na tinatawag. Okay? And before that, you have to be involved and open an account doon sa tinatawag nating brokers. Okay? So, these brokers provide services para sa ating convenience, safe trading environment, and of course, magkaroon tayo ng access doon sa ating mga currency pairs, tradable assets, and other commodities na pwedeng i-trade sa market. So, as recommendation, normally, meron lang tayong dalawang ginagamit na tool pagdating sa ating trading. Nandyan yung ating charting platform or tool, and next, yung ating execution platform or tool. Pagdating sa ating charting platform, I highly recommend TradingView. Okay? Para naman sa execution platform, okay, tandaan natin that there are a lot of execution platforms out there. Meron tayong MetaTrader, meron tayong CTrader, but commonly, ang ginagamit ng lahat is MetaTrader. May it be MetaTrader 4 or 5. So, navigating all of these tools and platforms, of course, you can do your own research naman. Available naman yan in different resources such as Google, YouTube, and other manuals na pwede mong mabasa online. So, now that you know all of these Forex market fundamentals, syempre, papasok na tayo dun sa tinatawag nating Forex trading technicals. Okay? So, syempre, the first thing na kailangan mo matutunan is price action. So, as recommendation, ignore all technical indicators at all costs kapag ikaw ay nagsisimula. Do not rely on those indicators because you'll be wasting a lot of time exploring different types of technical indicators, not knowing that it will not provide you the best entry as much as possible. You have to understand that the mother of all movement is simply the price itself. So kung ako tatanungin nyo, mas gugustuhin ko na mastering ko if magsisimula ulit ako yung price action technical analysis. So after you have a good grasp of price action, okay, you may now learn and head towards understanding trends and market structure. Most people think that trend and market structure is just simply trading along with the trend. That is not always the case sa market. Tandaan nyo yan. And lastly, under basic technicals understanding, pupunta tayo dun sa tinatawag nating key levels. And pinaka-common dyan, what we call is structural key leveling, such as our support and resistance key levels. So you have to understand that key levels is quite crucial when it comes to finding opportunities sa market. So now that you have a basic understanding of price action, trend and market structure at key level, it is now time for you to apply all of these things. So dyan na papasok yung pag-aaral nyo ng logical trading system or strategy. Okay? The rule of thumb in learning strategy is simply learn what is essential and learn only what makes sense, not that confuses you. So nowadays, you have a lot of resources such as YouTube, Google, to learn from your trading heroes pagdating sa strategy. And tandaan nyo guys, the simpler, the better. The reason you have to understand and master your basics is to easily understand the advanced concepts later on. And lastly, if I were to start again, okay, the last thing that I would learn is simply learn proper risk management. Okay? So the idea here is start small and grow it with confidence and experience. So proper risk management does not mean na kailangan mo mag-risk ng malaki para kumita rin na malaki. We are not gambling here. We always treat trading as a business. And when we talk about business as a mindset, diba? As a businessman, so you have to understand that you have to be patient pagdating sa ROI. Okay? But take note, Forex trading can provide us a quicker ROI pag alam natin yung ginagawa natin. And we have all these tools at the same time, knowledge pagdating sa executions. So, these are all the things na aaralin ko if I were to start again as a zero knowledge beginner or individual aspiring to be a Forex trader. Tandaan nyo guys, ang kalaban natin when it comes to learning is oras. Okay? So again, if you want to shorten your learning curve, okay, you have all the right para mamili ng inyong trading coach, mentor, na makakapagturo sa inyo the best way possible and as systematic as much as possible para maging smooth yung transition nyo from zero knowledge, intermediate, to advanced. So again, sana may natutunan ulit kayo guys from this video, and this is just a response to all those people na nag-message sa akin lately. So pare-pareho kayo halos ng tanong, how do you start? Again, you can watch my old videos from the start, okay? I have a series called Learn from Scratch series that can help you, di ba? Makapagsimula. Again, the goal of this channel is to provide basic knowledge and a deeper understanding when it comes to learning fundamentals ng trading. Okay? But again, sabi nga, if you want to be part and like step up your game when it comes to forex trading, you may want to join our TFP VIP Champions community. Thank you so much to all my TFP VIP Champions students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang, but nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang, and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.